Hey there! For day 6 of our Reinventing Yourself challenge, this video is going to be a bit longer than the previous ones. Today we're diving into setting goals, but not just any goals. We're pairing them with who we want to become. Now, that's really important because focusing on who we want to become while we're setting our goals, we're making sure that our actions are aligned or match up with the person that we're working towards. It's not just about setting off or checking off rather to-do lists. It's about transforming from the inside out. So think of it like shaping your life with intention, okay, not just effort. So today, as you write down your goals, ask yourself, is this bringing me closer to the version of me that I want to be? So that way, each step that you take isn't just about what you're doing, but actually who you're becoming, okay? So setting goals isn't just about the what. It's about the why as well as the how. So why do these goals matter to you, and how will they shape you, who you're trying to become? When you approach goals from this perspective, they become more than just tasks that you need to complete. So they become like stepping stones, okay, that build the future of the person, the future version of yourself, the resilient person, the vibrant person, the unstoppable you that you want to be. So the magic happens when you set or when you get really clear on your deeper values. When your goals are rooted in who you want to become, it makes the journey not only easier, but it makes it more meaningful. So every little win feels like progress because it's actually a reflection of that transformation that you're working on. Now we're going to take a goal setting, we're going to take it up a notch, okay, using the well-formed outcome model from NLP. Now, this model helps us to set goals in a way that's more aligned, that's more achievable, that's really impactful. We're going to start by getting really clear on what you really want. Then you're going to ask yourself, why is that even important? We're going to dive into the reasons behind your goal. What will achieving those goals do for you? How will it impact or change your life, your emotions, your relationships? You're gonna keep asking yourself some more questions like this, like, why does it matter to you? What's the deeper purpose behind this goal? If it's a health or a fitness oriented goal, maybe you want to feel strong in your body, which makes you feel more confident, which allows you to show up more fully or go after your dreams without holding yourself back. You see what I'm saying? Next, ask yourself, how will you even know when you achieved it? What is it going to look like? What are you going to hear? What are you going to see? How are you going to feel when you reach your goals? So you're going to use that same fitness example, okay? Ask yourself, how will you know when you've achieved it? If you can think of, okay, maybe once I get to the level of fitness that I want, maybe I'll be able to run a 5K. I'll feel more confident in my clothes. I'll have more consistent energy throughout the day. You understand what I'm saying? Next, you want to consider, is it within your control? Focus on what you can control. Make sure that your goal isn't something that it doesn't depend on external factors or other people. Again, you're going to ask yourself, is this something that I can control? Or am I relying on something outside of myself? Am I going to have to depend on anyone to reach it? Next, think about what resources you need. Identify the skills, the support, and any resources that you might need to make that goal happen. Okay, the next step will then be to break it down into manageable steps. what's the first thing you can do towards achieving this goal? What can you do today to start moving towards the outcome that you want? Like I said, I know this video was longer than the others, but this process, doing your goal setting this way, helps you set goals with real intention. Okay, you're not just working towards something, you're consciously creating the life that you want and the person that you're becoming. And when you check in with your why, every step of the way, you keep that spark alive. Okay, even though it might get rough, even on those tough days. Okay, that'll help you keep that motivation going. So let's make those goals count. And if you haven't seen videos 1 to 5 yet, I suggest you go ahead and you watch those first. And I'll see you on the next one.